Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. And guys, we are going to be dealing with a multi-day severe outbreak. As we have a day 2, a slight risk up into Texas, into Arkansas.
You also get fined if you have
Mississippi,
tobacco or cigarettes or anything like that on you.
with a 5% tornado risk.
Okay, let's say for an example.
And we have a day 3.
You pull out a cigarette and light it.
We also have a day 3 enhanced risk of severe weather. That is a 3 out of 5.
You're in trouble because you got caught. 2, you're going to get fined.
And we also have a day 4, 30% for Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi. So this does include Texarkana. And this does kind of include Little Rock, Alexandria, and Louisiana. This does include Yazoo City, Jackson, Mississippi. So we will discuss it. We have a day 5.
Dog, you're not funny.
You're not funny. Okay, we have a day 4.
It's got 2 more zeros.
I'm confused. I guess what we potentially might have a day.
You're in Corey, go take that up.
I think the storm prediction. If you want. So I believe the Storm Prediction Center is having some issues, as if you guys compare the day 4 and the day 3, they're both in the same spots. So the Storm Prediction Center might be having issues, but however, we do still have a risk up in Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Alabama. So. And I believe it's because since yesterday's outbreak, that could have caused, not yesterday, but 2 days ago, we had an outbreak up into Oklahoma. We believe that the tornado could have messed up something with their system, as they did lose power. So, but however, they were able to make their enhanced risk for day 3. So guys, we're going to check the forecast models and see what is going on with the and then we're going to look at the GFS.
Wow, ain't much. Well, says the one that's crying over talkies.
That would have been you.
I ain't proud yet.
Oh.
Yeah, but you're always trying.
Oh shit. Alright guys, as we bring...
Yeah, because you only $2 and you don't.
So if we spool over, we can see we have snow in Colorado. We have snow in the Colorado. Not Colorado, but yeah, Colorado, up into Utah and California.
Hey, whoa, watch there, buddy, watch.
And then Thursday we have a little bit of rain popping up in Tennessee. This could cause maybe some tornadoes, possibly. But then that exit out, and then we're gonna have our real issue.
I found it in June.
Then our system will form, and then this will cause some ice storms up into Pennsylvania, Michigan, and so this will pop up on Friday morning, and then it will start going, and then the risk still continues for Georgia. So So guys, this might become an ice storm, and you know what? Possible tornadoes could be possible up, down in the south. So be weather aware. We'll check the dew points, and we'll see some more. Alright, so as we school, here's right now as we have very high dew points up in the ocean.
That could be a very possible hurricane. That is very possible.
But guys, there is no hurricane. But so as we go into Thursday, you guys can see we have high. We're gonna have some 70-degree dew points, and as we spool through the dew point. So guys, if you see,
Some of these hotter states.
you can see the cold air messing with the hot air. Well, if this does happen, there will be counterclockwise rotation, which
Therefore
means
causing a tornado.
tornadoes.
We
And
can have a
what?
hurricane.
EF2 or plus tornadoes are possible. And then this will exit out of the U.S. and a potential big and another big system could try to happen, but yet this is too far in time to tell. So guys, be weather aware. I will be live tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday during this for this multi-day. So we'll see you. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and see you guys next one. Bye.